When you start designing for FDM, there are a few key points to keep in mind. 1. The minimum wall thickness will mostly depend on the size of the component, varying between 1 mm for smaller parts and 6 mm for larger prints. 2. Because the material is deposited layer by layer, the build orientation influences the strength of the part. A part will be weaker in the Z height, so be sure to consider this in your design. 3. As with many other 3D printing technologies, it is necessary to include support structures for some FDM printed parts. This will depend on the geometry, but a good rule of thumb to keep in mind is that support structures are needed if the part walls are less than a 45-degree angle to one another and bear the weight of another part element from above.